Here are 5 Blackletter fonts you can start using for free in Kittl. First up is, well, the Blackletter font, which is going to be your typical broad pen stroke letters that you would have commonly seen in the 16th century. This font is particularly great for title design or even vintage logo design since it's easy to read. Next up is Hansa Gothic, which has the same likeness to our first font, but a bit thinner and just a bit more charm to it. The decorated capitals really bring out the distinction in this font versus other ones, and this font is going to be great for even newer age designs like streetwear or brutalism. Next is Gutenberg, and here is where we really get the handwritten look and feel reminiscent of Old English type forms. And if you know your history, this is in direct reference to the Gutenberg Bible, which was the earliest major book printed with movable type. Here you'll notice rounded edges instead of your typical sharp serifs at the ends of all the letter forms. I can see this font being utilized for invitations, letterheads, and other classy stationery designs. Next up is Jenna Gothic, and we've entered yet another subset of Blackletter typography, with the letter forms almost feeling free-flowing and much more decorative than the previous fonts. If you're wondering what that Gothic word means, it just means Gothic, and of course here it's pertaining to the style of writing. Since this font takes on almost a script characteristic, I think it's perfect for wedding invitations, high-end restaurant menu designs, and many other things like that. Last up is Balbaum Fracture, and the word fracture there means fractured or broken, which in this case refers to how the letter forms are broken apart into many different strokes from a variety of angles. Fracture Blackletter fonts are some of the easiest to read, so you can feel confident using this font for a variety of your graphic projects. Now, we actually have a lot more than just 5 Blackletter fonts in Kittl, so make sure you sign up using the link down below and explore all of the fonts we have to offer. And let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments.